Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Hi Moisa, say hello. You're on YouTube, you're famous now. So, hi guys, before we keep on with the tutorial, I'd like to thank you guys. You're amazing. We already hit the 10k, and therefore I thought as a thank you gift, I will just do a makeup tutorial, because lots of you girls asked me whether I couldn't create a look which I used so far for almost all the tutorials I did so far. You don't want to stay? Do you want to leave? No? So stay a little bit. So if you're interested in how I created this natural everyday business makeup tutorial, then keep watching guys. See you later. Say bye bye. Say bye bye. So let's get started. First of all, I like to use a cream for my face so that it is not so dry, and therefore I used the Re-Nutriv cream from Estee Lauder. Actually this was a gift from Sephora and in Paris, but I can just recommend it, and I will keep on using this as a base, as a cream, before I put my makeup on. And afterwards I love to start my makeup with my eyebrows. So as you see, actually I don't have to do that much with my eyebrows, but I still try to fill it with a eyebrow color pen. So I like to use the one from Art Deco. It looks like this, and this is the darkest shape. It is long wearing in pen 6, well, eyebrow pen 6, I think that's the shade 6, so it's the darkest one. And I just do fill the gaps which I have in my eyebrows. If you want more drama with your eyebrows, then I would recommend you to take the Dip Brow Pomade from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Well, I use it in the shade Ash Brow. So this is for more drama in your eyebrows, but actually for a everyday life, for a more natural look, I wouldn't prefer it. So Art Deco would be fine when you just use it and fill the gaps of your eyebrows. I like to keep on with my eyelids, so I will do the eyeshadow first and afterwards the makeup. And therefore as a base I like to use the MAC Studio Finish Concealer. It looks like this. It is the shade NC15. Fix it now with the transparent powder from MAC. For my eyeshadow I will use my MORPHE palette today. It is the 350, and they are really highly pigmented, and I can only recommend you guys to just get these, and they are very affordable. I think that I paid about £26 for this palette, so I ordered it from London because in Germany I couldn't find them. I start with a very light tone and put it just under my eyebrow on both sides. Just apply it also here in the corner of the eyes. Now for the base, I will keep on with a light color and apply it on your whole eyelid. Now I take another blending brush and keep on with a more darker shade, and you apply it on your eyelid. So now I continue with a darker shade, put it on your eyelid again and blend it out. I take a shimmery color, this one from the MORPHE, and apply it under my eyebrow, just very softly and gentle. I will put on my lashes. Well, these are lashes from Amazon, actually, from a Chinese store. These were very cheap, so I got 5 pairs, I think. Yes, 5 pairs for about €2. Yes, and they are very natural. And see you in a second, guys. No, you don't want to? Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Yummy paws. Yummy, yummy pause. I put my lashes on, but now they have to dry a little. I will continue with my skin, so therefore I use the base from Victoria Beckham. So it is a very smooth I'd like to continue with my makeup. Actually, I don't like to use full coverage makeup because it gives me the feeling that I'm just wearing kind of a mask, and I don't like this. Therefore, all my makeup is half coverage, so it kind of gets the texture of my skin. And well, on most of my tutorials I use the one from NARS. It is in the shade medium, PUNJAB Sheer Glow. And I also love to use these two, so Yves Saint Laurent and Marc Jacobs. Yves Saint Laurent has also got a very smooth texture. It is very comfortable to wear, but Marc Jacobs I would rather use for brides, yes, for brides or photo shoots, because it really looks beautiful on pictures, but I don't like to wear it so much because it is too heavy for my skin. So I like to use more lighter makeup like NARS or Yves Saint Laurent, and today I will use the one from NARS. But before I apply it, I use a Cosmetic Body Sparkle Fluid. This one is from CATRICE. I will apply just 3 drops, so one on this cheek, one on this cheek, and on my forehead, just a little bit. And then put the makeup from NARS with a sponge just on my face. So now I will fix my makeup with the Prep and Prime powder from MAC. So I'm going to continue with contouring, and therefore I'll take the contouring stick from MAC in the shade 7.5. It's the Matchmaster concealer. And in order to blend it, I will take the Prep and Prime fluid from MAC. I'd like to continue with my concealer, and therefore I take the concealer from NARS, which fits perfectly to my makeup in the shade medium 1. It's called CUSTARD, whatever, and apply it under my eyes, on my forehead, on my nose, and on my chin. And again, blend it in with the sponge. Just for fixing my concealer, I use again the Prep and Prime powder and transparent from MAC. Now I will keep on with my lipstick during the process of setting. So therefore I use the Longlasting lipsticks from Manhattan, these two, and I will link everything in the box below. So now I'll take a clean brush and just blend the powder away. And I keep on with contouring, therefore I take the contour kit from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I take this shade. keep on with my blush. Therefore, I take the blush kit from Anastasia. I mix these two shades and apply it on my cheek. As my lashes got dry, I will keep on with my eyeliner, and therefore I take the eyeliner from Essence. This is a super precise eyeliner, and so I like to wear a very tiny and smooth line just directly under my lashes. And now I will use the Volume Million lashes from L'Oreal and precise my lashes. And the last step is to highlight, and therefore I take the Glow Kit from Anastasia Beverly Hills and take the Sunburst. This is this one. Therefore I like to take a blending brush, a clean one, and just apply it on my cheeks. Last but not least, I use the MAC Prep and Prime Spray to fix my makeup. Thanks for watching, guys. If you liked the video, then give a thumbs up, leave a subscribe or share the video, and I hope to see you again, guys. Bye bye.